Welcome to 156 Kings Parish Court. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a covered front porch, fenced backyard, luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring inside, downstairs, as well as granite and quartz countertops. It's located in the Kings Parish subdivision in Southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Garners Ferry Rd, the VA hospital, as well as Fort Jackson. So we're out front. You can see you have an attractive home from the street, sort of a monochromatic color palette. You have some nice vertical siding at the top. On the gables, you can see it sort of sits at the end of the street. So sort of a cul-de-sac. You have a nice 2-car wide driveway and a 1-car garage. Walkway leads you up to the covered front porch. And then we step inside into sort of a small foyer area. You have an open layout on the first floor, so everything's sort of open as you can see from the entry. But as soon as we come in to our right here, we have a coat closet. You've probably already noticed the luxury vinyl plank flooring that's throughout downstairs. It's a nice wide plank and sort of a warmer wood color. And you can sort of see what we mean when we say the foyer area is kind of separated out there, but then you have access here via the store to your 1-car garage that we mentioned. We do have a smaller mid-size SUV parked inside for scale, just so you can kind of get an idea of how big that is. And then back inside, sort of a dining area marked out here with the picture window. And then you can see it's open to the kitchen and the living room. So the kitchen has granite countertops. You do have a bar counter that overhangs on the side. Nice flush mount lighting in the kitchen itself. You have a pantry here to the left of the fridge. White shaker style cabinets and stainless steel appliances. So you have a dishwasher, above range microwave, and smooth top electric range, as well as a side-by-side refrigerator. And then a nice size living room with a ceiling fan. You can see you have a sliding door out to the back. But before there, we'll just show you the half bathroom that's conveniently located off of the living space. So you have a pedestal sink and commode on the opposite side. Then the sliding door lets you out to the backyard space. So you have a patio, small privacy fence backyard. The lot does, I believe, go back a bit farther back behind the fencing. From the upstairs primary suite, you can see there's sort of some water back there, and doesn't look like the area will be developed, but do not quote me on that. It could be possibly, but it does seem nice and sort of private and serene on the back end of the home for now. So we've gone up the stairs. You have a laundry closet at the top of the 2nd floor landing. The primary bedroom suite that we mentioned is here. So you can see a ceiling fan, nice large room with 2 windows, plenty of room for king size bed and other furniture in here. You can see what we mentioned as well, just kind of the view out to the back over the backyard. It seems nice and uninterrupted. And you have your bathroom suite right here. Granite countertops, quartz countertops. Again, the white cabinets. Nice tub and shower, and a window above. You also do have a nice deep linen closet, as well as walk-in at the back end. And I do believe, thought we might have had a little bit extra space behind the door, but not quite. So back out into the hall, you have 2 more bedrooms and a second full bath. At the end of the hall, there's an attic pull down with some possible storage up there. Just another open closet. And on the opposite side, a linen closet. And then you can see the second full bath here in the quartz countertops, single vanity, and shower and tub. And then last but not least, 2 final bedrooms facing the front of the home. Closet on the opposite side of the window. And then bedroom number 3 here. So that completes our tour of this home. 156 Kings Parish Court in Southeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.